Today we are going to resolve an issue, and the issue is that this is my website. This is completely work very fine, and you can also use this tool too, in which you can going to count the words. But the problem is that my this link is not indexing on the Google. So for example, if I go here, and it will take a time. So now the result is that this link is not on Google, and today is 16th of July. So I'm going to resolve this issue with you. So I'm going to copy this link and go to a website. The website's name is Checker, and when you scroll down, what's just happened? This is a cross button. Okay, so when you are going to scroll down, so you will find an input field for the URL. Paste it here and select a category related to your business. So for example, my website is related to something website tool, and you need to simply hit on the ping URL button now. So what this website does, actually it will take your URL and create a ping to the search engines. So the search engines get refreshed against your link, and then they are going to try to indexing on their pages. So for example, Google is a search engine, and in this case we are going to head to the Google or a Bing and other search engines. Actually this website is supported for many search engines, so it will take a time. Right now you can say that right now it's 8%, and when you scroll down, so it will take a bit of maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So afterwards I'm going to show you that this method will be worked to index your site. Welcome back. So we had a problem that our site is actually not available on the Google feed. So in the previous part of the video, we have pinged our website. So after some days, so I'm going to check the website here. So this is the link, and I am just copy it and go to this website. And after a while the result will be showing. So as actually you can see that now the URL is available on the Google. So today is the 28th of July, so within a week we actually have this page index on the Google. So this method is actually work. Keep following. Thank you very much.